Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your camera is not working or not loading when you have the Instagram app open. So this is likely have to do with a permission issue on your device. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Instagram app and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be directed to the profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then scroll down underneath where it says your app and media, select device permissions, and then select camera. If the camera is not allowed up here, you will have to select update device settings and then open the device settings on your phone and then walk through permissions and then have the camera turned on or enabled. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.